Good morning, everyone. I guess it's morning in most parts of the world. I want to welcome you to another meeting. My name is Godwin Ogbole, and I will just be using this to introduce our webinar, which is the virtual webinar for the pre-conference workshop of the ISMRM African Chapter meeting. And this is the second ISMRM African Chapter meeting. This is an opportunity for all MRI scientists around Africa to work with global partners around the world. Today's meeting is a webinar that will take us through several aspects of MRI. We will talk about the introduction to MRI physics. We'll talk about understanding brain MRI anatomy. We'll look at the various sequences, artifacts, and several safety issues in MRI, and also look at how to, improve ourselves in MRI research and innovations. I can tell you that from the timetable, we have a very, very exciting and robust array of speakers, and I'm sure that you will learn very much. Just to say that MRI is a crucial diagnostic tool, and it's non-invasive, it's powerful diagnostic tool, and it's central in the detection of diseases and also in treatment of diseases. It's a tool that is been around for more than 5 decades, and it has transformed the landscape in medicine, no doubt, globally. Africa is a little bit behind, and it's very underrepresented, but it's growing. We have low-field systems now in countries like Malawi, Uganda, Ghana, South Africa. And most low-field systems are used in Africa, sub-Saharan Africa, but most of the low-field systems we have in terms of the 0.5 systems and things like that and lower are mostly in the state of obsolescence. But it is growing happily, as most of you know. Those of you in Tanzania, Tanzania has at least more than five MRI systems, and also has one of the 3T MRI systems in Africa. Although we do not have a 7T anywhere in Africa, but it is growing. And MRI is an important tool because it contributes, and it's the first choice in many neurological diseases. And we are seeing increase, and we need to increase capacity, and that's why we are developing this kind of a program to build our capacity as MRI scientists. Now, that is the solution, is to build capacity. Our aim is to ensure that African MRI scientists who are pivotal in advancing healthcare on the continent are properly trained, and that they can use innovative solutions to solve health problems locally. And the only way we can do this is to ensure that we develop ourselves, and then use the tools that are available to make innovations, improve our practice, and so on. And to do this, we need collaboration, we need exchange of ideas, and we need to partner with international institutions, experts around the world that can help us to, build this capacity. And this exchange in capacity can, help challenge, or reverse, the low trend or the low skill that is currently available on the continent. It is also help us to address all the health gaps in our society. We need to begin to use tailored procedures or tailored applications to address our specific needs, because you know that non-communicable diseases is increasing in Africa, especially things like neurological diseases, especially stroke, which is like the second leading cause of death worldwide, and also is growing in Africa. So innovation is important. And that is our goal, to strengthen MRI training programs and research capabilities in Africa so that we can increase our contribution in global healthcare. And the key to do this is to provide, technologies, use emerging technologies, things like low-field MRI, use the integration of AI, and also ensure that we have increased diagnostic accuracy in our practice, and of course, improve accessibility for all, both for researchers, for trainers, for patients, and all that. And that is what Smart Network is doing. Smart is actually strengthening MRI access, research, and training in Africa. It's a network we established in 2022, which is a coalition of African MRI specialists working with several organizations to provide or to promote MRI utility in Africa. This organization is led by myself and Jones, and our aim is to strengthen partnerships with global organizations, manage MRI programs for Africa, achieve this through improved MRI utility, and to retrain and upskill African MRI scientists, and also to use things like AI and data science to improve our skills in MRI research. So this program is packaged to improve your skill. I want you to listen. I want you to learn. I want you to participate, and I want you to share your knowledge and share sometimes even your ignorance, so that you can at least learn and then fill your cup as well. And I want you to most especially enjoy this meeting. It proves to be exciting. Take your time. The meeting will be recorded, and you can go back to it. But I think active participation will even enhance your learning capacity as well. So I welcome you to this meeting. I say learn and enjoy.